Hey guys, I'm back. We have some thirsty birds and hungry birds this morning. Can y'all tell that they've grown? Like I said, I had already been in here and already raised lines, so they are drinking and they're reaching a little bit further and doing well. I'm going to stand up so you can see how they have continued to spread out through the houses and fill in the floor space. And as I said in the earlier videos, you are probably already amazed, but you will truly be amazed when you see them at the end of the flock and it's time for them to move out. Okay, I did want to say, back up just a little bit on my conversation earlier. Please don't quote me on the different types of poultry houses. I do know the different types, but the process of how they grow out and where they go and where they're placed, I may have not been 100% accurate on that, because all I know is, or what I know the most about, is the broilers, because that's what we have. Okay, can you see them? Let me see if I can just, as we move, see they flush. So, can you see the back of that house? How they're filling in from side to side. You can think back to the first day. Isn't that amazing, y'all? Okay, they are busy this morning. They're doing well. They're loving life. They're comfortable. Again, what we do is grow them as the farmer. Grow them out the best that we can. And in doing that, the best gauge really is to just make sure that they're happy and make sure that they're comfortable. And as they grow, especially when they get completely feathered up, one of the ways that we can help, that we can pay attention to whether they're comfortable or not, is we look at their beaks and their breathing pattern. And if they're too hot, they will, you'll kind of see them panting, almost like a dog. Okay, I got us a buddy. You hear? Oh, it's okay. It's okay. I wanted to show you how it's grown. Okay. Still some fuzz, some fuzzy. You see the yellow is paling some. Look at those feathers. Feathers on the wings. They come first. Really, see them? Okay, as I was saying, the beak will kind of gape open and you can see labored breathing. If they're too hot, they will also, there you go, they'll also lay down and kind of stretch out, almost like a dog or a cat. They'll stretch their legs out and they'll be doing anything they can to get cool. So if that's the case, then we know there's adjustments we need to make. But if they're just kind of chilling out and milling around and getting them a little bit of something to eat and something to drink and resting off and on, then we know that they're happy and comfortable. And that's our job. If we do that right, then we grow off a great product for the company. Well, now, instead of getting to work, because I've already done all that, I am going to go to the house and get a shower. I know y'all know this. It's not the most glamorous job. I'm okay with that because I'm not a glamorous girl. I never really have been. But we get messy. So along with farm dedicated footwear and boots, I typically have certain clothes that I'll wear, and I don't ever worry about hair and makeup and all that kind of stuff. And if you noticed in my first video, I had the outline of the mask, but the mask is necessary. In fact, I was sitting here talking without it. And I did find my mask with the vent in it, which is much more comfortable. I don't know if I mentioned before, but I am an asthmatic and have severe allergies, and so amazingly enough, I feel like as the Lord would have it for protection, I'm not allergic to bird feathers, chicken feathers, or pine trees. Many other things, but not that. But I wear the mask, like I said. Part of it is we're protecting the birds from anything we might carry on our feet and that kind of thing. But also, it can get dusty as they pick up and run around, and so don't want to be breathing all that in. All right? Okay, one last thing. During this stage of the flock, we have these. Can you hear that? It's called a stir fan. What that does is while the temperatures are 80 or above, I'd say, and we're not running the large fans, we're still running the 36-inch diameter fans, that pushes the hot air down to the floor. Okay? Boys and girls, science. What happens to hot air? Where does it go? We've learned hot air rises. So it's an efficient way to take the laws of nature, which are that hot air rises. Those are circulation fans. They push the hot air down to the birds to keep them a comfortable temperature, rather than it being wasted in the headspace. As more and more air is pulled through and necessary to keep them cool, and they don't need the heat, then we will turn those off and begin to run the larger fans in the back, and they will pull the windows or the vent boards wider, open wider, and more air will come through. All right, that's it for today. I'll try to get back tomorrow. Thanks. Y'all stay safe.